Hi guys, in today's video I'll be talking about how you can verify your Alipay account. So firstly what you need to do is you need to log into the Alipay app and click me and go to the user center. Next thing what you're going to do is you're going to click the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then you're going to select account and security, the first option of the drop down menu. Then you're going to click on identity information. Here it reminds you to verify now. Now you're going to tap region in the upper right corner and select your country/region. Next thing, you're going to scan your passport to automatically fill in your full name on the passport and your passport number, date of birth and passport expiration date, or fill in manually, then click submit. Click basic identity information to fill in other information including your gender, occupation type and address. Then continue to complete identity verification by verify face option. Now once you click on this, you will be have to scan your face, and once you scan your face, your Alipay person account will be verified. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.